Could a keyboard with just 28 keys truly transform your gaming experience? This tiny gadget claims to be the ultimate one-handed weapon, but let's see if it lives up to the hype. Right out of the box, the one-hand mechanical keyboard makes a strong impression with its compact size and robust build. It's designed specifically for those intense gaming sessions, where every millisecond counts and traditional keyboards feel cumbersome. The first thing one notices is the satisfying tactile feedback from its blue switches. They deliver that crisp, clicky sound and strong sense of rhythm that mechanical keyboard enthusiasts absolutely love. It's not just about the sound. The responsiveness is immediate, making actions feel precise and deliberate. The manufacturer claims a lifespan of about 50 million clicks, which speaks volumes about its durability and long-term performance. This isn't just a novelty, it's built to last through countless battles. Visually, the LED backlight is a standout feature. It's not just a static glow. The adjustable modes and different color patterns add a fantastic sense of mystery and immersion, especially when gaming in a dimly lit room. Beyond the aesthetics, it's genuinely practical, making key identification easy in low-light conditions. The braided wire with a USB port feels sturdy and reliable, ensuring a stable connection without any worries of fraying. The mini portable design is, of course, its core appeal. With just 28 keys, it's incredibly easy to carry around, making it perfect for LAN parties or simply decluttering a desk. The optimized layout feels intuitive for gaming, allowing for fast and flexible operation without stretching or fumbling. But what truly elevates the experience is the ergonomic design, particularly the integrated palm rest. This large palm area significantly reduces wrist fatigue during extended play, allowing users to stay focused on the game rather than discomfort. It's a thoughtful addition that makes a real difference. Compatibility is broad, supporting everything from Windows XP all the way up to Windows 10 and even Mac OS X, so most users won't have any issues getting it set up. This isn't just a niche product. It's a versatile tool for any PC or laptop gamer looking to streamline their setup. Overall, this one-hand mechanical keyboard delivers on its promises. It offers a genuine mechanical experience with satisfying blue switches, practical and cool LED backlighting, and a truly ergonomic design that prioritizes comfort during long gaming sessions. For gamers seeking a dedicated, compact, and responsive control scheme, this could be a powerful addition to their arsenal.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.